now show you how to maintain our HM1501 embroidery machine. We need sewing oil with a long spouted bottle, fully synthetic motor oil, and fully synthetic grease with a softer bristle brush. Before lubrication, make sure turn the machine. First, 2 parts need sewing oil by daily lubrication for frequent users. For hook part, take out bobbin case, clean dirt or threads if any. Add 3 to 5 drops of sewing oil. For whole part, 2 holes also need sewing oil. Here, first one, and here, second one. Second, 3 parts need fully synthetic motor oil by weekly lubrication. For rear part, turn the black lobe. Add 3 to 5 drops on rear, both left and right side. For needle bar, use a long spouted bottle for hard-to-reach needle bar. Add 3 to 5 drops each. Turn black lobe. Continue to the same operation one by one. Also up needle at front and back. Also front. One by one. Also add 3 to 5 drops on white gathering at the left and right. Finally, 1 part need grease lubrication by semi-annual. Use a screwdriver to remove cover and panel screws. Oil grease with a brush while rotating the lobe. And then reattach our cover. Put cover back. Install 2 screws and tighten them.